Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I found a way that's going to keep my plumbing bills down and my drains clean. This is a crochet hook. So I seen some dust in here and here, and it pulled it up nicely. So get it out like this, clean it out while it's dry. Oh my goodness. I got out so much, looking at it. It comes right up. A little dust. It's nice and dry. And I've been getting it up. Then you take your power wash, wipe it good, dry it good, power wash, and found these filters on Temu. Let's keep that down. I'm not going to glue it. Just keep the dust down. That's it for now. Another secret DIY with Shein to save money, cut down plumbing costs. Thanks for visiting this channel. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.